our manifesto or Sankalp Patra for the election are regular training program for fresher advocates, facility of proxy counsel to attend hearing in absence of main counsel, annual facilitation ceremony for senior members of bar, assured monthly stipend for fresher advocates up to 2 years. Facility of pen drive consists of drafting and judgments of all AFT benches, consistently raising issue of permanent building of AFT till its achievement, which includes chambers, bar room, separate cabin for client dealing, parking facility and cafeteria, etc. Day-to-day updating of new judgments of AFT benches on AFT Bar Association website. Formation of Coordination Committee of all Bar Association of Armed Forces Tribunal. Availability of Fund Management Register of Bar Association for all members of Bar to bring transparency. Facility of assistant in car parking and bar room, and facilities of hybrid hearing. Respected members of AFT Bar, as you all are aware that Armed Forces Tribunal came into force on 15 June 2008. The District Court Dwarka and Saket, Delhi were functioning from 6 September 2008 and 28 August 2010 respectively, and having permanent building infrastructure including lawyers' chamber blocks. Once all these courts are having permanent buildings and chambers for lawyers, then why this discrimination with lawyers who are practicing in AFT? More than 15 years have already been passed since the functioning of AFT Principal Bench New Delhi. The present issues were never being raised by any senior advocates who were continuously sitting on the chair of President and Secretary since 2011 to 2023 and again contesting for the same post. If this issue of permanent building chambers could have been raised in time by these office bearers, then this issue would have been resolved up to some extent till now. It is humbly requested that kindly vote and support in the interest of advocates. Thanks and regards.